Given that y1 divided by y2 equals to 1, and y1 equals to 4 divided by 5w minus 3, y2 equals to 3 divided by minus 10w plus 2. Find the value of w. Solution. Now we are given y1 divided by y2 equals to 1. So the first thing for us to do is to cross multiply. We know that 1 at this right hand side is the same thing as 1 divided by 1. So by cross multiply, what do we have? We have y1 times 1 equals to y2 times 1. So y1 times 1 is what? y1 equals to y2 times 1, that is y2. Now, what is the expression for y1? y1 is what? 4 divided by 5w minus 3. So we substitute 4 divided by 5w minus 3. Then this is equals to what? What is y2? 3 divided by minus 10w plus 2. Now from here, we now have a simple equation with two binomial expressions at the denominators. If you look at the left hand side of the algebraic fraction, we have 5w minus 3 and as the denominator, and at the right hand side the algebraic fraction also has minus 10w plus 2 as its denominator also. So for us to solve this problem, we can just cross multiply. By cross multiplying, what do we have? We have 4 into minus 10w plus 2 is equals to 3 into 5w minus 3. So from this particular point, we can just expand the bracket. So by expanding the bracket, what do we have? We have 4 times minus 10w first. This 4 we multiply this. So we have minus 40w. 4 times plus 2, what do we have? That is plus 8. Now expanding the bracket at the right hand side, 3 times 5w, we have 15w. Then 3 times minus 3, what are we having? That is minus 9. So the next thing for us to do is to collect the like terms. Collecting the like terms, what do we have? Minus 40w minus 15w is equals to minus 9. Then moving plus 8 to the right, it becomes minus 8. So minus 40w minus 15 will give us what? That is minus 55w. And minus 9 minus 8 will give us minus 17. Now for us to find the value of w, what do? We are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of w. And what's the coefficient? That is minus 55. So dividing both sides, we have minus 55w divided by minus 55 is equals to minus 17 divided by minus 55. So minus 55 here 1, minus 55 here 1. Now, minus divided by minus, it will turn to plus. So in this case, we have w equals to 17 divided by 55. And this is a proper fraction. So the solution to this problem is w equals to 17 divided by 55. Thank you.